Hi, I'm Elaine.
And I'm Caitlin.
Welcome to 10 Joseph Street here in Streetsville.
Perfect for first-time home buyers, investors, downsizers, steps away from downtown Streetsville and the Credit River.
And the home is fully renovated and you can build your dream home here. Let's go inside.